Hey everybody, it is the Honey Badger, and today you might be wondering why I'm sitting on the floor of my garage next to the 720. While I was working on the exhaust for it recently, I kind of noticed that this black metal piece running underneath the pickup, that is a shield that protects the catalytic converter or protects you from it if it's really hot, or animals or whatever. I painted it way back in the day because it was just an ugly rust color and it just was a sore sight to look at. So I painted it and it looks better, but I was thinking while I was under there, that just unbolts. I could take that off and I could do something to it that would make it kind of stand out. You wouldn't see it all the time. You'd see it from certain angles, but it would be kind of a neat little, like, I don't call it an Easter egg, but something I could do on it. So I'm thinking about doing something to it, maybe painting on it, something Nissan or 720 related or maybe Japan related, obviously, because of it being a Nissan, even though it was made in Tennessee. Let's just forget about that for a second. But I think that would be kind of a cool thing to do. It just would be simple, and I'd know about it, and you'd see it occasionally, and it just sounds kind of like a neat idea. So I think today we're going to take that plate off, and maybe we'll do some work to it. I'm not exactly sure. I'm sure people have probably done this to it. Maybe I'll do some research before I really dive into it. But I think we're going to look at that today, put it back on, we'll see how it looks, and maybe it's something you want to definitely do to your 720 if you have your own branding or ideas for what you could do to it. But let's go ahead and take that off, and let's get started. And there we have it. We are all finished up, went with a more traditional Japanese scene. We have a torii gate, we got the Land of the Rising Sun as well, and we do have Mount Fuji, which that is a 100% accurate depiction of Mount Fuji as I have seen it in person a couple of times. So don't go look it up, trust me, that is spot on. But overall, I'm actually very excited with how it turned out. I think it's really, really neat. It's definitely different. And like I said, I actually still didn't look up to see if anybody's done this. I'm sure someone has. But if you're gonna do this in the future on yours, I would be interested to know what you decide to do. So leave me a comment down below if you're gonna do this and what you are planning to execute on your catalytic converter protection plate or I think it just mostly hides it, honestly, because once that's off, you can kind of see it. But let me know if you plan on doing this. I'm really happy with the way mine turned out, honestly. So make sure you guys drop a like on this video. It helps so other people can find it and helps me make more content in the future as we get more eyes on the video. It always helps out. And make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell active so you don't miss out on the content that is coming up here soon. Other than that, that's all I got. I'll see all of you guys in the next one.